All right, I'd just like to show you a few more things. Here's another Rube Goldberg machine I have come up with, so you can see I have it on my platform. I have all sorts of shapes and sizes, and I just want to show you a few last things on how we can get this to work. So I'm going to go ahead and start my model and talk you through some of this. You can see this model is actually going really fast at 15 frames a second. You back that up and zoom out a bit. And we can watch it. You can see it's a lot of dominoes, some joints, hinges, things getting tipped over. And it's not that fluid, but that's okay because I'm going to show you a way in the next videos or the next assignments how to export these into videos you can take out. Because as of right now, SketchUp does not know how to handle Sketchy Physics without some additional extensions and software put into it. So you can see all these things are falling, and I've got my cylinders to roll. But there's some stuff you may notice that didn't move, okay? And I want to show you how those work. So things that didn't move, any of these pillars here, right? Or these here did not move when I ran my video. And there's a way to make sure stuff does not move. If I click on the UI, I can say frozen or static. And I can show you that in another video I'm going to open up here. Another Rube Goldberg machine I made. And I'll show you when in this video you're going to see these balls fall down. Now I don't want them to knock this over. So you can see I click on it, it's state. The other trick you can do is make it heavier than anything else. So you can change the density of objects. You see here my density is 9,000. Whereas if I clicked on one of these balls, you can see I have a density of 0.2. So there's no way that it's going to move it over. But you could also add it as frozen or static. Frozen is not going to move at all. Static means it's going to stay still. So I'll run this machine, and this will be the last video before you guys get working on your own. All right. So make sure to check out other Rube Goldberg machines on YouTube to see some ideas, give yourself some ideas of what you can do with yours.